Did you know that artists like Zanaya Monet, who built a massive audience through her music online, eventually landed a $3 million deal and generated over 79 million views on her YouTube channel with songs like this? Stories like that show how powerful audio creation can be when the right tools and platforms are within reach. If you create content online, you already know that good audio can make or break a video. Whether it's a background music, voiceovers, or voice cloning, having the right tools can save a lot of time and make your content feel more professional. Today, I want to show you how a platform called TopMediai AI, which is an all-in-one built-in AI creation studio that lets creators generate music, create voiceovers, experiment with voice changers,
and more, all for one place.
And that matters, especially when voiceover work itself can be a real income stream. With ZipRecruiter listing average US voiceover pay at about $106,000 per year as of March 2026. Instead of juggling multiple tools, TopMediai AI brings everything together so you can create faster and focus more on the content itself. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get musical. What makes TopMediai AI interesting is how easy it is. The platform runs right in your browser, so there's no complicated setup, and it gives creators multiple ways to generate audio using prompts or simple inputs. Whether you're making YouTube videos, podcasts, or social media content, tools like AI music generation and text-to-speech can help speed up your workflow and make it easy to bring your ideas to life. And for those interested in the music side of content creation, it's worth noting that music producers earn an average of around $71,000 per year in the US, according to Indeed, showing just how valuable audio skills can be in today's digital world. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few of the tools inside TopMediai AI and show exactly how to make money from it. Okay, I'm on TopMediai AI. We're on the website. We're on the homepage. I'm about to go to music and I'm going to click on easy. Okay, I'm going to put a prompt in and right in the description box, and it's going to give me a song based on that prompt. A fun song about hustling and making that money from side hustles, okay? I picked a genre, I picked a style, hyper pop, upbeat, energetic. All right, so now, based on that prompt and that energy that I'm looking for, this is the type of style I'm looking for, it's going to create a whole song for me. Two different versions of the same song, of the same lyrics, but two different versions. Let's check it out.
Alarm a 6, phone already in my fist. Flip one thing, list one thing, little hit of that profit twist. 9 to 5 pays a rent, but my brain saying that's not it.
That was hot. I love it. Next version.
Yeah, alarm at 6, phone already in my fist. Flip one thing, list one thing, little hit of that profit twist. 9 to 5 pays a rent, but my brain saying that's not it.
I like it. Same lyrics, different styles, different versions of it, of that energy. I like the first one. Now we're going to prompt it. We're going to do custom, and I'm going to put a whole song in, and it breaks it down by verse, pre-chorus, chorus. Let's check it out, okay? Oh my goodness. Let's generate. You press create. Let's go.
Wake up early, coffee brewing, dreams already on my mind. Notebook full of big ideas, turning pennies into dimes. From the laptop.
What? That was a hit. Now you can make your own music. Let me tell you, I've been in bands. I've sung many places. That's a hit right there. I can hear that on the radio. Did you hear him say turn pennies into dimes? I love it. You know how much money you would save doing it this way? You can put your music on Spotify, make all kinds of original music. You don't have to worry about copy music that has to be copyrighted. This is copy-free music. You can use this on your channel. on your platform. You can use this for YouTube, Instagram. You don't have to worry about a copy strike. This is all original royalty-free music. What are you waiting for? This is hot. All right, so I'm on Top Media AI. I'm going on the left-hand side, click on audio. We're going to text to speech. You see text to speech up top. I'm going to put a prompt in. This is a little bit of a story about 3 ways you can save some money. And I'm looking for the perfect voice to read this story about saving money and putting it on a faceless video. Okay, this is so cool. A lot of people are doing this and going viral with these faceless videos. Let's check out some different voices to pick from, okay, to choose.
Are you still dubbing your own videos over and over again? Are you still worried about not finding the sound that matches your video? Now with our text-to-speech tool, all problems are solved.
That was cute. I wouldn't choose her.
Are you still
She's so
dubbing your
sweet.
own videos over and over again? Are you still worried about not finding the sound that matches your video? Now with our text-to-speech tool, all problems are solved.
That was cute. Also, that'd be great for a children's channel. I actually have one. I can use their voices for that. That's cute. Let's find
As
someone a
AI
little bit more.
pioneers, we maintain a balanced view, recognizing both its risks and potential. We steadfastly commit to humanizing technology, mitigating harms, and enabling AI to thrive in harmony.
That distinguished voice, Michael's the one. Let's give Michael this script to read for the faceless video.
Saving money might not always feel exciting, but it can be one of the most powerful habits you build because even small amounts set aside over time can give you more control over your future. 1. Financial security.
He sounds very distinguished. He knows about money, and I love it. So now I will put that voice, Michael's voice, to a video, and we have a faceless video. And you could do this on YouTube. It is so common, and people really watch it because they're trying to hear and listen to what the story's about, what this is about. And Michael is going to let people know how to save money. All right, so we're gonna put this together right now and let's check it out.
Saving money might not always feel exciting, but it can be one of the most powerful habits you build because even small amounts set aside over time can give you more control over your future.
All right, so now I'm on voice changer with Top Media AI, and I want to change my voice. This is great if you're like changing your voices for different stories and things like that. I read a lot of children's stories for people, okay? I do that on one of my other channels, and I also do it. This is great for teaching kids new words, new stories. If you're a teacher, you're an educator, you are a tutor, and you read a lot to children, this is even great.
And you can change your voice to distinguish different characters
in the book. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to upload my voice and we're going to change it. Let's check it out. It's so easy to do. One nice thing about Top Media is that it runs right in your browser, so you can start creating without downloading anything. And once you're done, you can easily export your audio and use it in your video or other projects. All right, we're going to use that and we're going to change voices. We're going to go female to male first. Let's check it out.
One nice thing about Top Media is that it runs right in your browser, so you can start creating without downloading anything. And once you're done, you can easily export your audio and use it in your video or other projects.
I like that. All right, now I'm going to change it. I think we're going to change it to a little girl. They have over 1,000 different voices. So let's check out now a little girl's voice. This should be cute, right?
No one can do everything, but anyone can learn from the things they do.
I'm going to use that. Let's see how I sound. Little girl's voice.
One nice thing about Top Media is that it runs right in your browser, so you can start creating without downloading anything. And once you're done, you can easily export your audio and use it in your video or other projects.
I can use that voice when I read stories. That's cute. That's cute. Okay. That was cute. Okay, so you can change your voices. They also have the telephone voice. They have so many different voices to choose from. So if you want to change your voice, if you're on a different platform, you want to choose your voice, change your voice for a different video, for like you doing different characters. You might want an older person's voice or a male voice, female voice, a little child's voice. They even have characters, anime voice. So you can do different voices according to what you're reading. So that's awesome. So you don't always have to be using your voice, okay? That was awesome. Now, we had some fun today. Wasn't that fun? We made some hits, some songs.
We changed my voice. We made a faceless video. That was so much fun. Okay.
If you're a creator and want to experiment with AI music, voiceovers, or different voice styles for your content, check out TopMediai AI using a link in the description down below. It's a simple way to add professional audio to your video without needing a bunch of different tools. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try building with TopMediai. Are you gonna make a hit song? What you gonna do? Come on, try out TopMediai AI. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.
Wake up early, coffee brewing, dreams already on my mind. Notebook full of big ideas, turning pennies into dimes. From the laptop to the camera, we're building something real. Side hustle day, tomorrow it's $1 million deal. No excuses, no delay, every step